How to change TikTok country or region. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you change your TikTok account country or region. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app with your account. Now from here, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile section, tap on three lines at the top right. Now from here, tap on settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and tap on language. From here, tap on app language. And from here, choose your preferred language from where you want to just change it. After that, tap on done at the top right. This may help to adjust content recommendation as you can manage interest and content preference. For that, from the settings and privacy, you'll have to go to the option for content preference. Now from here, tap on filter keyword and you can add your language that you want TikTok show to you. After that, simply back from here and restart the TikTok app. After that, you'll be able to find that country or region related video on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.